Hello beautiful people, the temperature has dropped, so it's now time for me to switch up my wash and go routine. Rather than going for ultra defined curls, I'm putting down the gel for something more creamy. So if you want to see how I'm keeping my hair healthy, moisturised and fluffy during the winter, keep watching. Now, just like in my previous wash and go video, you can click the link if you want to go and watch that. I am still sectioning my hair and detangling it in the shower, and I'm still using my favourite leave-in, the Jamaican black castor oil, strengthening leave-in from Shea Moisture. It just has so much slip and it leaves my hair really moisturised. I rake that through my hair and then I use my Tangle Tease brush just to go over it again to make sure it's completely covered and I've got rid of any tangles. Now what I'm doing that I wasn't doing before is I'm sealing that moisture in with the Marrakesh Argan oil butter from Belle. It's really thick and creamy and it locks all that moisture in. You might notice that my hair is not particularly wet, it's only damp. I like doing this during the winter as well, just to make sure that my hair isn't wet by the time that I wake up. No one wants to go outside with wet hair. And I just do that through each of the sections, continue brushing it through, adding the butter and then twisting it up. The reason I twist up each of these sections as well is because I find that when I retwist my hair, it just really encourages my hair to form curls. It kind of makes all of my curls more uniform, all the same sort of shape and size. So I really like doing that. Plus it means that my hair doesn't get in the way and I can make sure that each part of my hair is completely covered in product. Now, instead of using a gel, for the first time in years, I've started using a curl defining cream from BodyWorks. This was recommended to me by a French team and it is just amazing. So I use quite an ample amount and I just rake that through like so. I then smooth it down to make sure that every part of the hair has been coated. I shake it so it clumps my hair together and that's it. So it's very similar to the way that I apply my gel. Again, I do it section by section, working from the bottom all the way up to the top. And I just keep repeating that until all of my hair is completely coated in product. The whole raking and shaking thing is something that I've done for years. I just find that it really helps to clump my curls together naturally without me overly manipulating my hair. The reason I prefer using creams to gels is I just feel like it keeps my hair a lot more moisturised. This is a really moisturising cream and I was sceptical because it said medium hold. I did think, well, my hair's just going to go frizzy, but it really does work well. And I'm starting to embrace my frizz a lot more. I don't really feel like I need to keep my hair ultra defined. Instead, I'm just more interested in making sure my hair is moisturised, it's really healthy, and I'm kind of enjoying having it frizzy. Well, not frizzy, but, you know, bigger and fluffier than I was before. Now, once I've finished doing that, I just simply scrunch up my hair and then I just leave it to dry. It takes way less time to dry than the gel does. Normally about 2 hours, so I do this a little while before going to bed. And then once it is kind of half dry, this is what it looks like. As you can see, it is still defining my curls. They feel really soft, they look really shiny, which I love. What I really love about it is that there's no crunch. I don't have to deal with that crunchiness or the gel cast. It just feels really soft and healthy. And to be honest, I am really starting to embrace the frizz a lot more. Mainly because I just want to embrace my hair naturally. I don't really want to feel like I'm striving to get the perfect curls that I know we all see it on Instagram, we all see it on YouTube and so on, and we want our hair to be like that, but that's just not how my hair naturally is. So I want to kind of embrace where it is more naturally rather than forcing it to be something it's not and then getting frustrated when frizz ultimately comes. So this is my hair the next day. I stretched my hair a little bit by just putting a headscarf on. I think I've shown you before my nighttime routine. I'll leave a link there if you want to go and see that. But it's still the same thing after all of these years, and it just stretches my hair to make it a bit longer. As you can see, it's still defined. I'd say about 3 days in, the frizz really kicks in. But again, my hair feels really soft and moisturised, so I'm not that fazed by it. I'm just really enjoying seeing my hair change. It has changed a lot in texture over the last few years, and this is just something that I just feel really comfortable with. Plus, I love the added volume. So if you've switched up your wash and go since the winter months, please share your tips and thoughts. As always, please rate, comment and subscribe. Bye.